I hope you guys like this little video I made of in memory of Doomsday for the time. He's down for the count. Basically, what's going on is I have a replacement engine coming in. We're going to take out the old engine and we're going to do a second season rebuild on just Doomsday's engine and his transmission. We're going to get that all performance up. First season's done, I guess. I mean, it wasn't much of a first season, but we're going to go around season 2 for us and start off fresh with drag strips, new build on Doomsday's old engine, and Good Guys car show coming up soon too. So stay tuned for that. Again, I'm Danny. This is Grimson's Tuning, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Again, hit that like button, hit the bell notification for when I do pop up. But see you guys later. Oh, and comment down below.